Okay guys, hi. So I know I haven't done an eating video in a while. So I just wanted to do an eating video today. Because I'm bored and I don't know what else to do. My Gacha series will be slow because yeah. On Christmas I will make a video. So these are Twinkies, by the way. Like and sub. Bye.